In this video we will considering hybrids animal, and some of their unique features. Hybrid animals are usually the reproductive result of intercourse between two similar animals, like lions and tigers. Scientists call the process somatic hybridization, and it allows them to manipulate genes to create new species with useful traits from both parents. A hybrid animal occurs when parents from two different, but usually extremely closely related, species are able to produce an offspring. Basically, the hybrid offspring of two different species are typically infertile, hence, not able to reproduce, although there are a number of exceptions. With scientific intervention and certain breeding techniques, including artificial insemination, it is possible to create a breeding line of hybridized animals that are actually fertile. Check out the list below or a few real examples of incredible hybrid animals. The first is the lepin. A lepin of leopard and lion is the hybrid offspring of a male leopard and a female lion. The head of the animal is similar to that of a lion while the rest of the body carries similarities to leopards. These hybrids are produced in captivity and are unlikely to occur in the wild. Many leopard-lion hybrids have been bred in captivity. Best known are those born at Koshian Hanshin Park in Nishinomiya, Japan in the late 50s and early 60s, one of which survived more than 20 years. This is longer than usual for a leopard, maximum recorded lifespan in captivity 23 years, or a lion, which has an average captive life expectancy of only 13 years. One of the interesting facts about leopons is that, unlike lions, they're good climbers. They also enjoy water, which often distresses their lioness mothers. Leopons are big animals nearly the size of a lion, with stout bodies, but their legs are shorter, like a leopard's, Hemmer 1966. They have brown spots, paler than the leopard's black spots, and tufted tails, like a lion. The base color is pale reddish yellow. Mature males have sparse manes about 8 inches, 20 centimeters, long. Although the leopard and lion come into contact in sub-Saharan Africa, it is widely believed that a lepin could not occur in a natural state because a leopard would be unable to mate with an unsedated lioness. But many reported hybrids of this type were the result of unplanned crosses in captivity. Let us move to the next. The second is the Zonkey. Zonkey is a hybrid cross produced by mating a zebra and a donkey. Zonkeys are not a true species because they have an odd number of chromosomes and cannot reproduce. While zonkeys are rare, they are bred in a number of zoos and specialized farms around the world. Typically, zonkeys are very rare in nature and are usually only seen in zoos or on game animal farms. Zonkeys are one of a number of zebras crossed with other members of the horse genus. Since all members of Equus are fairly similar, many combinations are possible. Can zonkeys reproduce? None of these zebroids produce fertile males, though females can sometimes be fertile. Since none of the males are fertile, the females must be paired with either a donkey or a zebra. The genetic signature is not mostly half donkey and half zebra. It would contain more of whichever animal was selected as the father. And interesting insights from the Zonkey. A hybrid animal like the Zonkey is not only interesting, it encapsulates many biological concepts that are very important to understand. The third is the Jagline. Jagline, a hybrid between jaguar and lion. Jaglions are a rare hybrid species of big cat family. They are a result of crossbreeding between jaguars and lions. Apparently, they look similar to jaguars. This video discusses how jaglions look like and what is their diet, lifespan and endangerment status. There are a few similarities between the Jagline and a jaguar, such as its shorter height and lighter skin than a lion would have. A female lion is also likely to be more energetic than a male. When a male jaguar mates with a female lioness, the result is a Jagline. It has the dark background color of a lion, complemented by brown rosettes reminiscent of a jaguar's, along with a powerful build. As with the other hybrids, these are also carnivores, so they want to like meat. They have very keen eyesight, that's why they like to hunt at night. Unfortunately, their color is also dark, that's why their prey cannot see them properly. It can eat anything like mice, turtles, hares, birds, lizards, and sometimes they eat wild hogs. In the wild, they eat antelopes, buffaloes, baby elephants, hippopotamuses, crocodiles, rhinoceros, deer, zebras, and sometimes they eat tall giraffes. It is very common for them to live near rivers, lakes, streams, and waterholes, but they don't usually drink much water. It isn't because they're thirsty, but because they expect prey animals to drink sooner or later. The only reason they hunt mainly at night is that they have such good eyesight, and predators can't see them as well, so it's easier for them to catch food at night. The next is a geep. A geep, goat-sheep hybrid, is so rare that one hits the news about once every 10 years. Most suspected geeps, once tested, proved to be just goats or sheep with odd features. What is a geep? While sheep and goats may appear very similar in build, size, and looks, they are not that closely related. They are of the same family of caprinae under bovine, but from there the genus differs in that goats are caprines and sheep are ovines. Sheep have 54 chromosomes while goats have 60. Because of this difference in the number of chromosomes, their offspring rarely survive to birth and are usually aborted. Even those that do make it to birth rarely live long. However, Spring Rose is thriving and growing well with 57 chromosomes. She shows all the signs of being able to live a long, healthy life. It is unknown if she will be able to breed. While many animal hybrids are sterile, some well-documented geep have been shown to be able to at least become pregnant.
Thanks for watching. Kindly click the subscribe button, also the notification button, to get more videos on this channel.